Before using the free productivity tracker, what was your biggest struggle with staying organized or focused?
Um, my biggest struggle. Um, so before I didn't put all the tasks in one place. So usually I have my work tasks and then I have something to study on during the day and then some other personal thing.
Yeah.
So I put them in different places. So now because I have a tracker, so at least I have things in one place to look at in the morning.
Yeah.
And I feel like because I'm kind of person that I would like to know that as my plan in day that I have the vision of what I'm going to do, I will do it more productively. Yeah.
Mm. And what difference did you notice after setting it up? And how did it change the way you manage your days or weeks?
I feel like I save a lot more of my time on doing things and less time on checking things and less time on finding stuff that I need to find.
Mm.
And then also have a better vision of the whole week that what I have done during the week because they have that active board, right? So I can see that clearly, and I also have the information I need and something left that I haven't get it done yet, so I can kind of reschedule it
Mm.
again.
If you had to sum up the main benefit of the tracker for another busy founder, what would you tell them?
Okay, I think the first thing is being more organized of the works and tasks that people need to do during the day
Mm.
and have everything in one place in one calendar have me save a lot of time and energy. Then also have a better idea of what I need to do. Also, yeah, being more productive. To be honest, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Thank you, Mai. And yeah, I don't have anything to say because I will cut anything anyway. But thank you for using the tracker. And well, I will stop the recording now.
okay.